Posters have appeared with quotations and pictures of the Pakistan Army Chief General Asim Munir, praising him for showing solidarity with the Kashmiri people, championing the just cause of right to self-determination. Posters have been installed at many places in Srinagar and adjoining areas, carrying the text of the Army Chief's statement, which reads, "The world must ensure justice and deliver what is promised to the Kashmiri people as per UN resolution." A report released by Al Jazeera has deflated the lame excuse spread by the Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government while revoking Jammu and Kashmir's special status in 2019 that the move would wipe out people's resistance in the disputed territory. After 3 years of the move, the report said that the same right-wing Bharatiya Janata Party government is now reviving a civilian militia called the Village Defence Guards in the occupied territory to suppress the freedom struggle. High Court has quashed the detention of 2 persons illegally detained under the Black Law Public Safety Act. The detainees Mohammad Abbas Khan and Hidayatullah were arrested by Indian troops in April last year and were shifted to Kot Bhalwal Jail, Jammu. The detention orders under PSA were issued by the district magistrate. Indian writer, poet and songwriter Javed Akhtar, while making a case for Urdu as an Indian language, made a reference to the dispute over Jammu and Kashmir between Pakistan and India. He said it is wrong to link languages with religion, as languages is not related to religion but to the regions. He asked the Indians, then why did not they accept that the Pakistan stand all of the Kashmir is part of it? He perhaps meant that the partition plan, which stated that all the Muslim majority areas would join Pakistan. India's dreaded National Investigation Agency on Tuesday conducted searches at multiple locations in the occupied Kashmir in the cases related to pro-freedom activities. In Srinagar, the NIA team raided the residence of Juanid Ahmad in Sura and seized a cell phone. In Pulwama, the house of Zeeshan Altaf in Nilora and Arif Malik in Litter were frisked by the Indian agency. In Kulgam, the NIA raided the residence of Altaf Ahmad Wagay at Yaripura, Farooq Ahmad Dar at Hangar, and Ashraf Ahmad Sheikh at Rampura. The house of Ubaid Ahmad was also searched by the sleuths of NIA. Residents of Ghulam Mohammad, a resident of Shopian, and Abdul Kabir were thoroughly searched by the NIA teams. All-Party Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter has said that Modi's fascist government is using the notorious agencies like National Investigation Agency, State Investigation Agency, and Enforcement Directorate as a weapon to create a state of fear and harassment in the occupied Kashmir. IIOJK convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement issued in Islamabad, said that Indian agencies are implicating the Hurriyat leadership in false cases to weaken their spirit for right to self-determination. A teenage boy allegedly committed suicide in Bandipur district. The boy committed suicide by hanging himself at his home in Battipura area of the district.